These chicks are very useful, but when they wake my mom and dad up, they're not, but when they lay eggs, they are, and they're delicious. Let's go collect some chicken eggs. 12 chicken eggs. We're gonna put the eggs in the water and see if they're bad or good. Floating means bad, sinking means good. Do you know why floating means bad? Because there's gas in the egg that starts to decompose and it's not good to eat. Hey guys, we're gonna make a chocolate chip cookie from these wild chicken eggs that we found during our Easter egg hunt. We tested them, make sure they're good. Now we're gonna put them to use.
1, 2, 3.
Oh.
There. And then put the shell in there. Okay, do it one more. The harder the crack, the less likely there is to be little shells in there. So 1, 2, 3. Big crack. There you go. Now use 2 thumbs. Yep, just like that. Perfect. And look, they're great eggs. Now I gotta rinse your hands.
Now it's time for the cookie eating test.
Okay.
Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed me finding wild chicken eggs around my house. If you like these adventures, please hit the subscribe button and the like button. I'll see you next time. Goodbye. That's the stuff. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed me finding wild chicken eggs around our house. And